Hello, my name is Kas1122 and today I'm going to show you how to make the GPS, keep those GPS data from your GoPro Hero 5 black or not, Hero 5 and Hero 6 cameras. How you can put those into your video, how does the GoPro Quick app works. So you download the GoPro Quick app, it's easy in the internet. Once you have launched it and it's ready to go, you go to settings, you have to create account also, you go to settings, media folders, so you create a folder, goes into your computer, and then you have the folder, so you can put those videos which are recorded GoPro into that folder. Make sure do not change the name of those videos, otherwise you can't get the data from out of those videos. So the name has to be original what GoPro has made. So you put those into the folder, those videos what you have recorded. Make sure and put the GPS on, the location on your GoPro camera, otherwise you cannot get the data. So then you have the folder, you just scan the folder, and here you can change the what is your imperial or metric, those units, and then you have the files what you have in the folder. They will be here, the time system. Then you double click it and it takes some time. This also, you need quite a good computer, it's not optimized very well. So you have now the video, so basically how everything works. You have the video, so you have put the GPS on, everything is on, so you could go down here, you double click the video and you just go here you can put, if you want, GoPro logo, info, and use all of these. So you press save, it takes a little time normally. You can have these, you can change the position of those. And I have to say the GoPro GPS, I don't know how to say it, it's very accurate and indeed. Normally. Of course sometimes it can be some mess, but normally it's work very fine. You have keep G-force, speed track, you can see, and the distance and everything like that. And sometimes you have the problem when you create a clip in down here the bar. Of course you can rotate and grab a photo if you need. Create a clip, you need some computer for doing this. You have now the file. So you can go and change the starting position, just dragging here. I want to put it there, okay. And here the ending position. Oh, I say I want to put it here. Then you press save. And you should have the 60 frames at least in my computer. But other laptop I had the issue, there's only a 30 FPS somehow. I don't know why. But you should have the 60 frames per second also available. I think so. You have also the 4K if you are recorded that in the 4K, and you can change the name, and it should go. You can then press save and then it start rendering that video. And sometimes if you want to render one and you have to render second after that, you maybe have problem it doesn't render. So I have restarted the GoPro Quick and so then it's working. So you maybe have some problems. The video should go back, some of these were is taken or here, so you have to a little bit find it. Thanks for watching, hopefully this was helpful for you. See you in the video. Bye.
Crack it.